Hey, buddy.
Are you ready for us to come and pick you up?
Yeah, I'm almost done closing up. Excited to get home and finish decorating the tree.
Okay, we'll be there soon.
All right, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Careful! Ugh, I told you not to take the shortcut through the Cobequid Pass.
I've done it 1,000 times before, and it was never a problem.
Yeah, sure, but not in a snowstorm like this. Wait, I forgot something.
You there! There was an accident, and my sleigh took some really serious damage. My tools fell into the Atlantic. Can you help me?
Got it! Oh, hi.
Well? I think we're going to need an impact driver, a hammer, a joiner, some paint, maybe some safety goggles. I didn't know Kent sold appliances.
I think we got it.
Okay, this should cover you if you need to make any other repairs.
Well, thank you. Send the bill on to the North Pole.
Was that?
Come check this out.
What's going on?
Oh!